Cameron, thank you. And she's showing what Josh had told me yesterday would be kind of a sneak factor to this winter weather. Besides the snow, the wind.
Yeah, the winds will make visibility worse. It'll make standing outside, reporting in the snow much worse. So sending warm thoughts to Cameron this morning. But definitely that double whammy of the snow and the winds, although winds are going to start to back off this evening, overnight. So that's some good news. But the snow not letting up anytime soon. We still have this winter storm warning that is in place until 4 p.m. for all these pink shaded regions in elevations above 1,500 to 2,000 feet. And then in elevations below that, we have winter weather advisories for the east side. This runs until 10 this morning. For the Shasta Valley, this goes until 4 p.m. Actually, I mixed that up a little bit. For the east side and for the Shasta Valley, those go until 4 p.m. And then for the west side, that goes until 10 in the morning. Glad we got that squared away. Here is this big band of snow this morning that is really going to dump on Cameron. And if that dry layer within the Rogue Valley starts to mix out, we could see some very heavy snow here in Medford. So we've already seen a ton of snow, at least by Grants Pass standards this morning, but a ton of snow in that part of Josephine County. So this will continue moving off towards the east, starting to get some bigger impacts in the Shasta Valley this morning. And a few snow showers are sneaking over to the east of the Cascade. So we'll put this into motion with Stormcast, and by the time we get to lunchtime, you can still see it's just widespread snow, and it's mainly just going to be snow today because snow levels will be so low. And then as we head into the evening, you notice that the mode of precipitation changes. It goes from kind of a big band of moisture to more showers that are dotting the map. So that's going to be the trend as we head into the overnight hours. Gradual tapering off of some of those showers. Could see some more snow along the coast as snow levels get even lower during this time frame. And then it looks like most of us are going to be dry as we head into Wednesday morning. Let's take a look at some of these snow water equivalents that we could see through tonight. So these are the water numbers that are actually going to matter when it comes to our water year numbers. And you can see we could still get an additional inch up in the mountains, but even potentially getting upwards of 0.2 of an inch for Medford, for the Shasta Valley, and for the east side. So every little drop certainly goes a very long way. Snow levels today pretty low, right around 1,000 feet. I think it's mainly going to be snow today for Grants Pass, for Rogue River, for Merlin, for Medford, for Phoenix, for Jacksonville. But then snow levels get even lower this evening, all the way down to our beaches. And so that's why we are expecting a trace of snow along the coast. It's definitely going to be less stellar compared to some of the images we saw last week along the coast. But snow along the coast is always magical. And then as you work your way inland, we still have a long way to go, especially for these passes up in the Cascades and Siskiyous, anywhere between 6 to 12 inches we could have there. So where Cameron's at through tonight, we could have another 6 to 8 inches, and then maybe just another trace to a couple inches, depending on if we get underneath one of these heavy bursts of snow here in Medford and Grants Pass. So for today, mainly just snow. It's going to be pretty windy. It's going to be pretty cold. Overnight, winds back off, a few snow showers left over, but very cold. Look at this. Temperatures in the single digits for the east side. Thankfully, winds back off, so wind chill won't be that big of a factor. It does look like we have another little weak storm system that'll move through for Thursday. Not very impactful at all, and then tracking another high impact winter storm system for Saturday into Sunday. Pretty wet. Snow levels looking pretty low, so I think you all know the drill at this point. Here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. We will see some thunderstorms today. We're actually tracking a little bit of lightning this morning on our satellite and radar picture, so we'll continue to see the possibility of that throughout the rest of today. For Northern California, we will see snow likely for today, then another bout of snow for Saturday and Sunday. It's looking like it's going to be the same thing for the east side as well. For the Cascades and Siskiyous, still very dangerous travel, so try to avoid being on the roadways at all cost. And then for the Rogue Valley, periods of snow throughout the day. We've already seen some pretty heavy snow this morning in Grants Pass. We'll clear out on Wednesday, small chance for showers on Thursday, and then more chances for snow into Sunday and Monday.